Okay, holiday question. Lots of information here. Let's just get to where we need to. Right, so we got a table here. The plan a holiday to the Majestic Hotel, and here's the prices. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Jones think we're going on holiday 20th of February for 7 nights, or 10th of April for 14 nights. So let's locate on the table where the 20th of February for 7 nights is. Right, 20th of February is between the 19th of Feb and the 8th of March, and we're going for 7 nights, so we're talking about that price there. £714 is the adult price. So, and then on the 10th of April for 14 nights, here's your 10th of April, 14 nights, and that's the figure we're using for April. So let's do the calculations then. So let's do the 20th of February first. So on the 20th of February for 7 nights, it's Mr. and Mrs. Jones and 2 children. Okay, so we've got 2 adults and 2 children. So the adults will pay 714 and 714. It's 1,428. Now for the child price for the 7 nights is 95% of the adult price. So it's going to be 95% of 714. 95%, I type in as 0.95 times 714. And that's £678.30 per child. So the price they're paying for the children, because there's 2 of them, will be £678.30 twice. So that's £1,356.60. So the total cost for this February holiday is 1,428, add £1,356.60. So that's £2,784.60. So that's the 20th of February. Now we'll cost the holiday on the 10th of April. Okay, adult price is 802. So the adult, I can pay 802 plus 802. Oops. 802, whoops, decimal point is coming in. 802 plus 802, 1604. Child, then for the 14-night holiday they'll be paying 85% of the adult price. That's 85% of 802, 0.85 times 802. That's £681.70 per child. So the children will be that added twice. .4, and we had a note on because it's money. So the total cost will be the cost of the adults, which is 1604, plus the cost of the children, and that's 2967.4. Money adds a note there. So we got the total cost of the holidays in February and April. Now we're asked to compare the costs, so we need to write a sentence that includes both February and April. So we can say that the cost of the holiday in April is, and if I subtract the two, I see how much extra we got to pay. That's £182.80. So the cost of the holiday in April is £182.80 more than the holiday in February. Okay, or you could, as long as you make a comparison between the two, you could say the cost in February is £182.80 cheaper than the cost in April, but you must be writing a sentence involving both those holidays to make the comparison.